Hello everyone, so today we're going to be doing a little grille modification. I'm going to take all of these slats out, and this emblem out, and replace it with this mesh that I picked up on Amazon for about $17 with free shipping. It's 13 by 39.5, which is going to be just about perfect. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to fasten it yet, but when I get it all taken apart, I'll figure that out. And the reason why I'm doing this grill mod is because you see this huge emblem here is just a little bit smaller than the transmission cooler, and I do have a little bit of transmission cooling problems when I'm on a steep grade and hot weather. Carrying a load up mountains in summertime, that's the only time that I have a transmission problem. Flat surface driving with a load is no problem, but at one instance it wants to get just a little bit hotter than operating temperature, and although it'll probably be fine, figured why not try to help it out a little bit and also give it a unique look. So let's go ahead and dive into this. So first thing we have to do is take off this upper shroud here, and these are just held on by these little clips, which I've gone over how to take these off in other videos. They're really simple. It's like some of them are barely even held on right now. I'm sure I can do this with one hand, but get a close-up of this. If you haven't taken these out yet, use a screwdriver to pull that first insert out. Use a screwdriver again to pop this part out, and then we will rinse and repeat a few more times and get this puppy pulled off. And next we I believe these are 10mm. We got 1, 2, 3, at least 3 of them. As well as we have these clips here, which is take a Phillips head screwdriver, give it a half turn, and it will unlock it. I believe there's at least 4 of these. We got 1 here, there's going to be 1 here, 1 on the other side, 1 in there somewhere. There it is. It's right in the corner. So we'll go ahead and get that started. Alright, we have our 10mm here. So go ahead, drill this out. Nope. Need a Phillips there. We'll give this one little half turn. Okay. So now it should just pop right off. Oh, got 1 more here. 1 more 10mm. I'll take off. Pull that away, pull that away. I believe there's some clips on each side. It's pretty loose now, as you can see. Make sure that they pop down enough. Okay. Easy as that, folks. Alright, so let's go ahead and flip this grill over and see what we're working with. Alright, so what we're gonna do is just cut all the way around the rim and remove this whole intersection, and let's see what that looks like. So I'm going to use my Milwaukee multi-tool for this. You can use a hacksaw or whatever kind of saw you have. Got a multi-tool, got a jigsaw, maybe a Sawzall. Might be a little bit more difficult. It's kind of bulky, but I picked this up for like 80 bucks a while ago. They were pretty good, so let's go ahead and try these out. I already tried one of them. What I like about this stuff, it's pretty malleable. It's aluminum, painted. Looks like it'll be easy to bend and move. And I'll put the link in the description. But they come in varying thicknesses, and this is the one that was highly recommended for the use of grill modifications. And when you press that link, you'll scroll down to the review section, and you'll see quite a few other people who have did various modifications on the grills, from little sports cars to big Dodge trucks. So we'll throw a Chevy in the mix there. So this looks like it's going to be a fairly easy job, and I may just bend this to fit. And then use zip ties since it's all plastic anyways. So let's see what that looks like. Alright, we got a 5/30 seconds bit on our drill, and should clear or allow these zip ties to go through. In 30 seconds. And there she is. As simple as that. Now we'll just put it all back together and see what it looks like. Give you a close-up on here. So I didn't actually do any cutting at all, I just bent it because everything's hidden. It doesn't really matter. So, not bad. $17 grill when it's all said and done. Providing you have the tools to cut and zip ties or screws or bolts or whatever the hell you want to use to mount it. So let's go ahead and put this thing back together. There you have it, folks. So I'm going to show you how much more airflow we're going to get here. Imagine if this was back on. How obstructive this huge emblem is. And even if you just wanted to use that mesh to put it behind your grill to give yourself some extra added protection against bugs, dragonflies, shit like that, dirt and twigs, it still looks pretty slick. But I'm going to remove those obstructions so that we can get maximum airflow. So when you're up on it, you can see the zip ties. But I think as soon as I paint everything black, it'll blend in nicely. But from afar, it looks pretty slick. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button so that we can get this content out to other people that might find it useful. Subscribe to see more videos like this. Check the description for to check out that mesh so that you can order some yourself and do your own grill mods. It's pretty easy. And go ahead and check out my YouTube channel and see what other useful content I have for you. Give you a little shot of Alaska right now on this beautiful January day. All right, folks, we'll see you on the next one.